Hello friends, welcome to Unwall Testing Lab. Today we will discuss about how to use the locator in Selenium by CSS Selector. So first of all, we create the object of Chrome driver. New Chrome driver. Web driver. Now driver dot get method use to get the URL. So we are enter the URL of Facebook. Now use system dot set property method to set the path of Chrome driver. Now copy paste the path of Chrome driver. I already mentioned in the previous class the path of the Chrome driver. So copy from this class and enter this class. Now please to the semicolon. Now this is my Facebook page. Now I want to enter the value in email fields by CSS selector. So first of all, inspect the element. So first right click and click on the inspect option. So now when you inspect, then click on this and click on the copy and copy selector. Now write the code in Selenium driver dot find element by CSS selector. The value of CSS selector is already copied, so and just control V. You can see that already mentioned. Now dot send keys. I already discussed with you in my previous video why use send keys method to enter the value that is used for entering the value in email fields. So I write test data 922@gmail.com. This is my email ID. Now if I want to enter the value in password field, so I inspect this one, click on password fields. Now right click, go to copy option and click on the copy selector. Now again write the code in Selenium for password field driver dot find element by dot CSS selector and copy paste the value here. Press Ctrl V. When you press the Ctrl V, then value is shown. Dot send keys. If we want to enter the value in password field, then so that I use the send keys method. So I enter in send keys test 123. Okay, so I run this code. First of all, Control S used to save this code, and click on the play button. Page is loading. You can see that in email or password field, my email ID and my password are displaying. So thank you so much. If you like my video, then please you subscribe my channel, and if you want more detail, then please follow my blog. The blog link already mentioned in the description. Thank you so much.